Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you are great. Dear student, I came with a new topic and it is the most important topic in which I will teach you of preposition is used as a preposition of measure and a preposition of possession. So this 2 minutes video is going to be massive worthy. So dear students, of preposition is used as a preposition of measure and preposition of possessions. Okay, preposition of can be used to quantify a noun, indicate that one noun owns another noun, show the materials with which something is made. So here we have a few sentences in which of preposition is used as preposition of measure and preposition of possessions. Dear students, now we will read these sentences and we will understand the concept of the of preposition as used a preposition of measure and preposition of possession. Okay, so first sentence is I need a pound of cheese. So here in this sentence, of preposition function as a preposition of measure. Okay, second sentence, 1/3 of the students were present in the class. Okay, so in this sentence also of prepositions function as a measure, preposition of measure. Third sentence, he is man of wealth. He is man of wealth. So here in this sentence we have to clear our concept that in this sentence of prepositions function as a preposition of possessions. Okay, fourth sentence, she is the daughter of a rich man. Fifth number sentence is the pen is made of wood, and the last sentence, the dress is made of silk. The dress is made of silks. So these are some sentences in which of preposition is used as a preposition of measure and preposition of possession. So dear students, of preposition is used as a preposition of measure and preposition of possessions. Okay, so please students don't forget to write comments regarding this topic, because your comments give me strength. So I will reward you by such interesting videos regarding English grammar and literature. I hope it is clear. Inshallah, see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.